A lightning bug just landed on me. Rained again last night. Oh, that's a shocker. If we don't get some dry, we're not gonna get a garden in. I mean, it's gonna dry up eventually, but the garden's gonna be late. Right? You just can't get in that and do anything. It's horrible. And our tomatoes got a little bit of frostbite the other day. They look horrible. I don't know if they're gonna make it. Papa J says they're fine. For me to hush worrying. Out here fed the chickens, got them moved the other day. We're gonna they about need to be moved again. They are I need to get this other chicken tractor built, probably start on it Monday. Today's video is just a quick little video about how to assemble a push mower. I talk a little bit in the video about why I push mow my yard, and you know, I have push mowed my yard now for about 12 years. So according to the app on my phone, it's about 5.5 miles that I walk every time I push mow it, and I do it once, sometimes twice a week, and you know, it's exercise. So anyway, all right, so we'll get straight into that video. Hope you guys are all doing well. This will be the last one for this week, and then we'll start again on Monday. So hope you guys are all doing well. Hope to see you soon. Oh yeah, one other thing. Thinking about having some Google meetings. If some of you would like to take part in some of those, send me a message on Remind, and we may try to have some class meetings just to kind of see what everybody's been up to, see how everybody's doing. All right, guys. Hope y'all are doing well. So we have I bought me a new push mower. Several years ago, I went with a push mower. I've got about an acre to mow here. I'm sure y'all can hear Jace on his drums. Anyway, I've got about an acre to mow here. It takes me an hour and a half, 2 hours with a push mower. It's about 5.5 miles of walking. I've got a good self-propelled mower about 9 years ago, and I mow about once, sometimes twice a week with it. It got to the point that I was fixing to have to make a bunch of repairs to it. It's going to cost me about $150 to make those repairs to a 9-year-old lawnmower. And so I decided it was time to just break down and buy another new push mower. I push mow for several different reasons. First of all, I push mow for the exercise. Second, the mower's a lot cheaper, about 1/10 of the price. And I use about 25% of the gas that I normally use with a riding mower. So just a lot of reasons that I use a push mower. But we're going to put this thing together, see if we can't get it going. So I'll insert this photo right here. This is what it looks like in the box. So it's mainly assembled. It's just folded up funny. It'd be awful nice if I had some help to pull it out of this box, wouldn't it? Yeah, about 20 more bags.
20 more bags just for that? Oh, you going to put some there too?
No, right around through there. It'll take a bunch. I'm excited about my new mower. If you can kind of hold the box down, I think maybe I can just lift it up like this. Oh my gosh. Ow, that's my toe.
I'm going to work.
Huh?
I'm going to work.
Okay. Okay, let's get this box out of the way. All right, so we actually, woo, I nearly fell off the back of this thing. That would have been cute. We actually have instructions. So I need to register my product. Okay, I'll worry about doing that in a little bit. Unfold it. Latch everything in place. Make sure everything works. Okay. Okay. So another reason I went ahead and bought this is it is a Stove Smart, which it's leaning on the trailer, so it's not going to sit up. But you can store it like this, which is kind of cool. Right? Let's set that down. And let's see if we can figure out how to raise it. Aha! Okay, so that wasn't too bad. So they send this 30 weight oil. Showed to have just a trace of oil in it, but sealed. I'm not sure if it'll take this whole bottle or not, so I will add a little and check it. All right. So it would appear that they sent enough. Just enough oil, which is smart. I mean, yeah, oh yeah, perfect. All right, now, got to get gas to put in it. This lawnmower runs best with ethanol-free gas. All right. Now I know I'm on a trailer, but see if she'll fire off. She did.